You become what you think about. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Open your ears before you open your mouth. It may surprise your eyes. Am I motivated by what I really want out of life, or am I mass motivated? Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. We can help others in the world more by making the most of yourself than in any other way. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. People are where they are because that's exactly where they really want to be, whether they'll admit that or not. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Whenever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. They go together. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. We tend to live up to our expectations. You'll find boredom where there is an absence of a good idea. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. Everything in the world we want to do or get done, we must do with and through people. Get into a line that you will find to be a deep personal interest, something you really enjoy spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at, and the rest of the time thinking about. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Our first journey is to find that special place for us